Here is the question. There is a relation, this relation 0 a1 b1. Now we take this relation, the first one, an plus 1 equals to an bn over root. We take the second here, bn plus 1 equals to an plus bn by 2. Let us go ahead. At the place now we put n equals to 1 in it. So we have a2 equals to a1 b1 over root. Now we can put at the place of b1 we can put a1, but a1 is less than b1. So here we have to give a less than sign for this side. So here will be a1 and we can put a1 for this b1 over root. From this relation we have a2 greater than a1. Similarly we can find that a3 is greater than a2. This means that we have this sequence a1 less than a2 less than a3 dot 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 an. Now we go for the other side. Here if we put n equals to 1, then this will be b2 and here will be a1 plus b1 by 2. And similarly we can put here at the place of a1 we can put b1, but b1 is greater, so we have to give this sign b1 plus b1 by 2. This gives us b2 is less than b1. So we have a sequence b1 greater than b2, b2 greater than b3 dash dash dash, and here b1. Now see these two. We know that am is always greater than gm for two different positive numbers. So an plus bn by 2 will be greater than an bn over root, because an bn are two different positive numbers, and for this expression we can write bn plus 1, here bn plus 1, and for this we can write an plus 1. Putting n at the place of n, if we put n minus 1, then this will be bn greater than an. Now we write this again a1 a2 a3 dash 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 an, and here you see bn is greater than an, so here bn is greater than 1, but you see that bn is decreasing sequence, so from here we can write bn minus 1 dot 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 b3 b2 b1. Now you can see that this is an increasing sequence, but this sequence is bounded above by b1. b1 is a constant. This sequence is bounded above and increasing, so both increasing and bounded, so this is a convergent sequence. In the same way, if you see this b1 b2 b3, then this is a decreasing sequence and bounded below by a1, so decreasing and bounded below, so this sequence bn is also convergent. Both are convergent, and you see that this is going towards Bn or An, and in the same way this sequence also increases to and goes to Bn. Both comes at a place. So limit of both the sequence will be equal. So here we have, accordingly we have both An and Bn converge, but the limits are not equal. Wrong, because limits are equal. So B is our correct option. And also you saw that B1 B, this sequence is decreasing, so this is also true. CD is also true. So correct options are B, C and D.